Hello everyone, get ready for UI5 development on your local machine. In this tutorial, I will show you how to prepare your local development environment to implement successful UI5 projects. So for that purpose, you need to install basic three tools or plugins. One is Yeoman, second is Easy UI5 Generator, and the multi-target applications or that is called MTR. So let's start. So first I will install Yeoman. So that is the reason I already log in to a project that is my local directory, and the directory is the projects and Fury UI5. So I just execute that command. So npm install globally yu. So let it install. So Yeoman has been installed. So now I have to install the Easy UI5 generator. So that is the reason I need to execute this command. So it will install Easy UI5. So basically, if you use this UI5 generator, then you can develop uh, easily develop or easily generate UI5 applications because it creates the basic files for you. So this is done. So now I have to verify the installations. So that is the reason I need to just, and I can use that here. So yeah, now I can see that that is the EO, and I can also see the Easy UI5. So that means that Easy UI5 is successfully integrated with the Yeoman. So this is good. So now I have to install the MTI build tool. So I just cancel this and use this command. It will start the MTA for the multi-target applications. So let it done. So this is also completed. So another thing, basically you might skip these steps. So because actually uh, that is the different way you can install. Um, I will put the link in the description how to install for your Windows machine. So here actually I can just check the make be. So this is already installed, but I will share the link on the description so that you can find out how to install the step-by-step process uh, to make that enable that make versions. Yeah. Thank you.